Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about business portfolio analysis. Okay, business portfolio analysis means the company, a corporate group may have several businesses, but they have limited resources. Okay, different portfolio means different businesses under every corporate group. So, with available limited resources, how they have to allocate those resources wisely to different portfolio or the businesses, how to decide which business they are going to allocate more resources or less resources. Okay, so which business should be given a priority. So this decision is it's a very important, it's a kind of a strategy. Okay, so in resource allocation strategy, this is what we call it as a portfolio analysis. Okay, we have two different techniques for the portfolio analysis. One is growth share matrix, that is this one by Boston Consulting Group. Another is industry attractiveness or business position matrix, that was developed by General Electric Company. In this video we are going to discuss about the growth share matrix developed by Boston Consulting Group. It's a very famous management consulting firm based in United States. It's a Boston Consulting Group. Shortly we call it as a BCG matrix. Okay, this BCG matrix is constructed, developed with the help of two important factors, that is market attractiveness and business strength. Business strength is measured in terms of market share. Attractiveness, what is the potential in the particular business, potentiality, future for the business, that is one factor. And existing market share, that shows the strength of the organization in the business. So two factors are considered for developing this BCG matrix. Okay, this is the BCG matrix where market growth rate are taken in the vertical axis. Okay, market growth rate, market growth rate. Okay, what that is what we mean market attractiveness. What is the growth paths possibilities of a particular business, that is taken in the vertical axis. Horizontal axis, market share, relative market share is taken in the horizontal axis. Okay, based on these two factors there are four possible combinations. Okay, high market growth rate, this portion is high market growth rate and low market share. Okay, high market growth rate and low market share, this is called as a stars. Then this combination is cash cow, low growth rate and sorry, here market growth rate is here high market growth rate, here low market growth rate. Market share is here high market share this end, and here is low market share. Okay, high to low, here also high to low. Okay, here the star is high market share and high growth rate and high market share. This is stars, high growth rate and high market share. Cash cow is low growth rate, high market share. This portion is called as a cash cow. This portion is called as low market share but high growth rate. Okay, that is called as a question mark. Dogs are low market share and low growth rate. Okay, I will explain one by one. Where stars are having high growth rate and high market share. Okay, high growth rate means future growth opportunities are very very high. At existing also we are having high market share, so in the future business will grow. What happen, this is going to be a star. Okay, so it's going, the business going to shine. That is what we mean by star. It's going to shine in the future because all positive symptoms are there, because business is going to grow. Already you have a very positive position by having a more market share. Okay, so this business is going to flourish in the future. So leader expanding industry is going to very expanding industry, generate large profits for your organization. It requires substantial investment to sustain growth, so this business need investment. Okay, the growth possibilities are that to grow you have to invest. Okay, because all the positives are there. Already you have a my high market share. To gain more market share you have to invest more. Okay, so growing business, the profitabilities will be very high. Okay, then it increases sales and it also increase market share. Very positive business portfolio that needs more investment and resources must be allocated. Okay, very highly prospective business is a star business. Whatever if you have 4 businesses, some business may be in the star position. Okay, and second is cash cow. Look at the cash cow, growth rate is less. Okay, future growth is very less. You cannot find a huge growth like stars for the cash cow businesses. Some businesses are cash cow businesses. Okay, where very slow growth rate, okay, or very minimal growth rate is possible, but at the same time you have a high market share. Mostly the industries are in the mature stage or saturation stage. They are in the cash cow position. Saturation stage is growth is very less, almost saturated, but already you have established in the particular business high market share, but the future growth is very less. So saturated business, that means you have already established, already you are a very well known brand in the organization. Okay, well known product, already you have a huge market share. What you can do is you can skews profits. Okay, okay, huge profits. That's why we call it as a cash cow. It is the business that is milking money for your group. Okay, okay, for the future it may not be, but at present, okay, that is the business. It gives more and more profit, huge profit for your organization. Those profits can be diverted into invested into the stars. Okay, because that needs investment in the future. That is going to be a cash cow. Okay, that is going to be a cash cow in the future. In the next stage the stars will become cash cow, but cash cows, the next stage there is no more future growth. Okay, at present they are having market share, so well established market. Okay, the sales is very high, profit is very high, and you are getting more profit from this business, so that can be utilized for the other growing businesses. Okay, then other possibility situation is question mark. Question mark is growth rate is high but market share is very very low. The growth possibilities are there but existing market share is very low. That is why question mark. Okay, whether is it possible to capture high market share in the future, whether the organization has the capacity to capture more market share. But industry is very attractive, industry is going to grow, whether your organization can capture significant market share, where they can grow the business, because existing market share is very very less. There is a question mark, but still there is the organization can take a risk. Okay, because growth possibilities are there. If they take right effort and investment, they can convert it as a stars. Okay, the question marks may be converted as a stars. Okay, that need investment and proper allocation of resources. Okay, proper planning and execution must be there. Okay, that's why question mark. It may success or may not success. Okay, there some business will be like that. Then dogs is low market share and growth rate also very less. Okay, future also there is no growth possibilities are there, and your market share also very less. Dogs means they must be kicked out. Okay, they will be barking but there is no benefit or the result. Okay, they must be kicked out because future growth rate is possible. No more growth in the business, and you are also already struggling with the low market share. There is no meaning of continuing business, this kind of businesses. Either you can close down this business and sell all the assets, and you can divert the money into question marks and the stars. And another business is cash cow. Okay, future is not very prospective, but at present it is giving money, enormous money. Okay, so making huge profits, but those profits also must be diverted to stars and question marks, because those are all the futures for the your corporate group. Cash cow is will become dogs. Okay, and dogs will be kicked out, or they can be turn around into a new businesses. Okay, this is the Boston Consulting Group growth share matrix or portfolio analysis. How you can divide your businesses based on their growth rate and market share into 4 different businesses, and you have to adopt a strategy for each type of businesses. How you can allocate your resources to each business. Okay, by understanding their nature of business and their position. Okay, this is the BCG matrix. This is start I explained you. Problem child, very low market share. Okay, slow progress dog, or problem child is called. Okay, it's better to leave the market. Cash cow, leader in mature or declining industry. Okay, almost saturated business, no more further growth, but existing you are having a huge market share, you are earning better profit, maintaining market share. Okay, maximize cash flow, increase usage rate of replacement, and raise prices. Okay, it gives more money. Okay, low market share in mature or declining, slow progress, expensive, cost disadvantages, and few growth opportunity. Harvest or divest, concentrate on niches requiring limited effort. This is actually a question mark. Okay, the problem child is a question mark. This is dog. I think in the slide they have given some wrong information. Actually, this points given in dogs are applicable for question marks. Okay, that is a problem child. The problem child, the content here given is actually it's for dogs. Okay, so that is a small mistake in that. So this points given here are for dogs, and the points here given are for problem child or the question mark. Okay, so this is the strategy implications for each position, whether it's a star, what you can do, a problem child or a question marks, what you can do. Okay, cash cow, what is the strategy, dogs, what is the strategy. Okay, so this is how the BCG matrix helps you to develop a strategy for different businesses by understanding their positions. Okay, thank you.